How to determine if your phone has a virus? The occurrence of viruses or malware on smartphones has become common. Viruses are a type of malware that are adept at transforming themselves into new forms. They function like parasites, continuously multiplying once they infiltrate a system. With their assistance, hackers can access your entire system, potentially seizing control of your phone or computer from afar. In today's report, we will guide you on detecting viruses. How do viruses enter phones? After clicking on unknown links. Links of this kind are sent through email, WhatsApp, or messages. Clicking on these links opens a website, introducing viruses to your phone. Visiting unknown or suspicious sites can also lead to viruses on your phone. Downloading apps from stores other than Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Connecting your phone to Wi-Fi in public places such as hotels, airports, railway stations, and bus stands. How to identify if your phone has a virus? If your phone has malware, Google will send you alerts. At times, pop-up notifications appear in unexpected places on your phone. A sudden slowdown of your phone is also a sign of malware. If the phone's storage is suddenly full, be cautious. Your phone's browser repeatedly redirects you to explicit or unknown sites. People in your contacts start receiving messages that you did not send. How to protect your Android phone from malware attacks? Avoid downloading apps from unknown sources. Before downloading any app, read reviews to understand how it uses your data. Use strong passwords for your phone and apps. Do not use the same password for all accounts or apps. Regularly delete cache memory on your phone. Check your browsing history, and if you see a site you don't recognize, be alert. Keep your phone's apps and the phone itself updated.